if you're a crocheter or someone who just loves fibre art in general, then one thing we probably have in common is we like to look at channels which also show what we love, whether it's tutorials or crochet related or fibre art related content, just in general. A lot of us enjoy having something to watch whilst we're working on crochet projects, so this is definitely the video for you. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the 10 crochet related YouTube channels that you guys need to check out. So with all of that being said, let's get into today's video. As a crocheter, you can imagine that I spend a lot of time crocheting, working up new design ideas, really big projects, and I do not have the capacity to be able to sit there in dead silence and just crochet. I need something to distract me, something else to focus on, because if I have my crochet project and something to watch, I can crochet for as long as my body physically lets me. Because of that, I have been watching quite a lot of crochet YouTubers and just general fibre art YouTubers as well. And I've got a little list of my personal favourites that I think you guys should check out, because I feel like everyone enjoys watching something whilst they crochet, and if it can be crochet or fibre art related, that's like the icing on the cake. Number 1 and 2 are linked because it is the same creator, but it's their primary and secondary YouTube channels, and both of them have very different overall concepts while still being in like the fibre art kind of creativity section. So the first one is Made in the Moment. Made in the Moment is run by an amazing creator called Aspen, and I love both of their channels. Made in the Moment is their primary one that they set up first, and they also knit, and I cannot knit to save my life, but I appreciate watching these videos so much because it is one of my personal goals to be able to down the line, I really hope. So their videos are amazing. They have done tutorials in the past, they've done like yarn reviews, they've done really amazing like vlogs as well, Frog or Finish. I also did one inspired because I saw their video recently and other videos, so I chose to do one recently as well. And I feel like their channel is just very, very nice and chilled and cozy and just kind of warm and very easy to watch. So I have watched a lot of their videos whilst I've been crocheting on my own projects myself. Their secondary channel, which is recommendation number 2 from me, is aspeninthemoment. And this one personally is my favourite purely because it's about crafting drama, and I need a little bit of that in my life. You're literally just being told the tea whilst you're being sat down and crocheting, and just I feel like that is the perfect combination for me. What I especially love is this isn't just limited to crochet. There's like obviously going to be crochet, knitting. There's people who I feel so bad for, it's pottery. I'm really bad with the terms, so do excuse me. But pottery related drama, amazing like competition shows that involve crafting that I didn't even know existed, which is great. And even like yarn fests and indie dyers, there's so much on this channel, and I recently just went through and like rewatched basically all of the videos because they're proper deep dives and some of the videos are really long, and this is such a awesome channel to just kind of really focus on whilst you're crocheting or knitting or just making some kind of project, and you really want something a bit juicy to listen to. So yeah, I really enjoyed my second rewatch of everything, and goodness knows I'm probably going to end up doing a third rewatch because Aspen also formats everything really, really well. It's so easy to take in the information and not be kind of confused. Their storytelling is genuinely amazing. So yeah, I feel like you guys would absolutely love this channel especially. Channel number 3 that I think you guys should check out is mrsmoonheaven, aka Jada. Jada does a mixture of just crochet lifestyle / regular life updates, and I absolutely adore her channel. Jada is such a colourful, vibrant person, and I feel like it really translates into all of her content and the crochet pieces she makes, updates on her pattern book, which she's currently working on. That's going to be getting released next year, I believe. I think I've been trying to follow it as best as I can. And yeah, I just feel like she's got so much energy and positivity that she brings to her channel, as well as just having a platform out there that's so positive. So I really recommend it. I feel like most of her videos I'm just crocheting but with like a huge smile on my face because of the energy that she gives. So yeah, that's definitely another channel that you guys should really check out. Recommendation number 4 is TheLauraGracee, who is one of my amazing crochet friends. She has a channel on here and she has so many amazing videos that are just so entertaining. You've got her learning new forms of crochet, reacting to AI crochet. You've got so many things. I love her. She's got this really like freaky video which has like crochet nightmares. which I haven't seen yet because I'm genuinely terrified to watch, but I feel like you just get so much from her channel. It's such a big variety, and because of that I feel like you never know what to expect from her, which is just awesome. And like me, she is a growing channel, so any support that you guys can give her would be absolutely amazing. Recommendation number 5 is PassioKnitKelsie. I need to watch more of Kelsie's videos because I feel like I go down a rabbit hole and I like fixate on one YouTuber for a while and then I kind of like make my rounds. But Kelsie has such an amazing channel with so much content, first of all. So if you guys really, you'll be falling down a rabbit hole, you'll be getting so much content from her. She is such a skilled crocheter. She's such a speedy crocheter, and she does so many different types of content. I love the vlog contents and just life updates and how much she can crochet in certain amounts of time, just a little bit of everything from her. And yeah, she's such another positive figure that you have in the fiber art community. I'm naming quite a lot of American crocheters because there's not a crazy amount in the UK in comparison. So there's going to be a few in the UK that I tried to mention, but a lot of them are going to be American as well. Speaking about American crocheters, the next channel that you guys really should check out is amazingishgrace. I've watched quite a lot of her videos and I've been a subscriber for a really long time, and what I love is hers is a lot of lifestyle and crochet, or lifestyle with a crochet kind of twist. She's such a chill, laid back kind of vibe, which I feel like differs from some of the slightly different, more high energy vibes that you have on crochet channels, but I think it just works completely. She has some really fun challenges she set herself. She's made projects using like really weird fibers, which have worked out beautifully, as well as just generalized vlogs, kind of projects that she tries out. Like, honestly, it's really hard to encapsulate her channel because I feel like she's got so many different aspects on there. But if you want chilled crochet, very nice dry sense of humor, I find, then I feel like her account is perfect for you guys to check out. Recommendation number 7 is leniscrochet. Lenny has some really amazing tutorials for some absolutely beautiful tops, and some of them have already gone viral, and if they haven't, they will, because her work is so beautiful. She's very much a chilled crocheter as well, I'd find. I really like her it's kind of hard to describe it, but it's like her less staged videos and tutorials. I feel like it's very genuine and very personable with her, and because of that I just really enjoy the style of her videos and content that she does. I think it's honestly just such a lovely channel. She's got loads of tutorials. I'm hoping to see more from her as well, just because I feel like she's got such a promising channel. She's not got quite as many videos as other creators, but I feel like the quality and what she's showing, it makes me excited to see what else we have to come from her. Recommendation number 8 is, I'm pretty sure, the channel that I've been subscribed to the longest, and that is TheCrochetCrowd. TheCrochetCrowd is an absolutely amazing and very well established channel on YouTube. They have so many videos, I cannot even imagine how many videos they have, and they post very consistently. And what I especially love is the first person perspective and complete walkthrough over so many designs. I have personally made quite a few of their Afghans. I did it a good few years ago, so I haven't been necessarily following their tutorials as much, purely because my brain is so set on designing and making my own designs and patterns. So for the most part, I haven't really been making designs from other creators. However, if you want designs to make amazing blankets, you need to check out their YouTube. What I love especially about their videos is they have little series for each blanket. So you'll have them in like weekly installments, and it's round 1 to 9. So it gets drip fed to you. So I feel like it doesn't look as daunting, and it's a lot easier to pick up a project and then put it down. So I honestly love their channel so much. I feel like the amazing amount of information and quality of information that is just given to us that we can use at will, I find that so amazing. And if you're someone who wants to make your first big projects and you're scared of the commitment, I feel like having a channel like that you can rely on is really reassuring. On the topic of YouTube channels that have really amazing tutorials, the next channel that I think you should check out is the lovely BettyMcKnit. If any of you guys have seen the viral 6-day star blanket out there, she is the creator of it, and she has tutorials that walk through the process of making this blanket, which I followed and I think is absolutely amazing. That's how I've made so many of the 6-day star blankets that you often see in my posts in the background of these videos. And I feel like she's such a lovely, bubbly person. And yeah, I really love her tutorials, and I think she's got so many out there. She does a lot of 6-day series projects. I personally have focused on the 6-day star blanket, and I want to some point do their 6-day supernova blanket. I haven't yet because, again, I'm very much in a mission of designing and creating my own patterns, but I really love the 6-day star blanket concept and how she reflects that on a lot of other patterns, so I think you guys should check it out for that reason. The final YouTube channel recommendation that I think you guys should check out is HannahDrapinski. She has done some really amazing tutorials, and I find her style is just so whimsical and very much with nature, and just it's such an amazing vibe that I don't really see encapsulated fully on other channels. I feel like she's got a very unique perspective, and I absolutely love the vibe of all of her crochet pieces. Her tutorials are amazing, and she really does do a lot of them as well. So if you're looking for a channel that does that kind of vibe with tutorials that you can follow, you need to check her out. I feel like it's really fun to have a series of YouTube channels that you guys look into and have frequent updates and you're always wanting to check into. One thing that I find with all the YouTube channels that I like to watch is I want them to all feel fairly different. I feel like if you have channels that feel very, very samey and they're kind of hard to distinguish, I don't really see the point in that. So I think all of these creators are absolutely amazing. I feel like all of their channels have their own unique, distinct kind of amazing qualities that are what draw you in to want to watch them. And if you guys haven't heard of some of these creators, then you really should check them out and see if they're the kind of creator you enjoy watching whilst you're crafting. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if there's any creators you haven't heard of that I've told you about today, and if you're going to check them out. And if there are some creators out there that have YouTube or crafting focused channels that you guys think others would like, then let me know what they are in the comments below as well. This video is a really fun one because I love doing videos that are pushing you guys towards other channels to appreciate, because I feel like the fiber art community is such an amazing and positive thing, and being able to just give people that recognition for what an amazing channel they have, I want to do that whenever I can. So yeah, videos like this are the best. I do, however, have lots of different crochet kind of content on here. I have challenges, I have mini series, I have little crochet alongs that I have done, a lot of tutorials, hacks, a little bit of everything. So if you want another channel to check out, and maybe this is the first time you've seen me, then definitely do check out my other videos, because I do not always do videos like this. If you've gotten to this point in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!